Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. This device is packed with features that makes it stand out in the crowd. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive and informative content. Let's talk about the design. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark II sports a sleek and compact design perfect for single-hand use. It features a glass back with a matte finish, giving it a premium look and feel. The device is also water and dust resistant, so you can use it worry-free in various environments. Moving on to the display. This phone boasts a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 21:9 aspect ratio. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is excellent thanks to HDR support. Whether you are watching movies, playing games or browsing content, the Xperia 5 Mark II offers an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, this device is a powerhouse. It is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and 8 GB of RAM, ensuring a smooth and lag-free performance. Even the resource-intensive games run seamlessly on this device. Now let's talk about one of the highlights of this phone, the camera system. This phone features triple camera setup consisting of three 12-megapixel lenses. You get a standard lens, a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture a wide range of perspectives. The camera performance is exceptional, producing sharp and detailed image even in low-light conditions. The Xperia 5 Mark II supports 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture high-resolution videos with smooth motion. It also includes advanced video features like Cinema Pro, which offers professional-grade video recording capabilities. In terms of software, the Xperia 5 Mark II runs on Android 11 with Sony's intuitive user interface. It also offers clean and customizable experience, and you may also find a lot of Sony-specific features that enhance the overall usability. The phone also has a dedicated gaming mode, which optimizes performance and provides an immersive gaming experience. That concludes our today's video. If you want to save money on your dream phones, subscribe to our channel and never miss out any update from our new smartphone.